Hello everyone! So, sasagutin ko lang yung tanong kung saan ba daw maa-access in advance yung mga materials ni 5-1 Talk. I'm so sorry pero hindi natin po yun basta-bastang maa-access except na lang po kung nagpa-book na po sa atin yung student. That's the time that we could able to get inside Air Classroom, navigate, and study in advance the material. Pwedeng-pwede po kayong pumasok sa AC. Say for example, gabi pa yung inyong klase, morning pa ngayon, so you can able to get inside AC provided that you wear something decent, hindi yung litaw, ganon. Tapos dapat walang mag-access sa likuran mo while you are practicing the materials. And then you can also make use of the 5-1 Talk app. Kaya lang, if H5 po yung ating estudyante, iba po yung sa AC. Kasi two-dimensional po siya, moving, mayroong mga activities. In comparison po doon sa ating 5-1 Talk app, PDF lang kasi yon. So, hindi exactly katulad ng nasa AC if H5 po yung ating student. Pero kung yung student natin is a CEJ student, meaning Classic English Junior student, so PDF file lang po talaga sila. So kung ano yung makikita natin sa 5-1 Talk app na material, yun po talaga yung makikita rin natin doon sa AC. Again, hindi po natin basta-bastang maa-access ang materials ni 5-1 Talk unless nagpa-book na po sila sa atin. That's the time that we could practice inside AC class.